Welcome to the YouTube channel named as CAT2IIM. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if not done yet, so that you don't miss out important series like these relevant for CAT and OMETs. So we have started with CAT Quant Logic Series. Today we are looking at second question, and the idea is to think logically, think differently, and we're going to solve the quant questions of the CAT and OMETs logical way from zero to hero in the con. So make sure that you do check the complete video, the entire solution. Do like, comment, and share with the CAT and OMETs aspirants. So let's have a look over here, reading the problem out here, which appeared in one of the CAT paper. Scores of Amal and Vimal. So we're not going to use any equations, any variable out here, just logic, just numbers, and we are going to make our life easy. So Amal and Bimal, if I look over here, the initial scores are in what ratio? If you look over here, that is 11:14. So let me put 11 and 14 out here. The initial ratio of the scores. Now, when you are trying to do with numbers, try to figure out that what could be made same, and we can use numbers out here. So please remember that what is given over here after an appeal, their score increased by the same amount. So if you're increasing by the same amount, so what we could understood is if I calculate the difference between the two initially, and if I calculate the difference between the two finally also, it has to be same. Why? Because whatever increase has been there in Amal as well as Vimal, it is same. So when you look at the difference between the score of these two guys, finally, or maybe initially, it has to be same. So look at the magical method out here and do comment, do like, and do share also. So what we have is out here is the ratio as 47:56. That is the final ratio. So let's look at the difference out here. So what is the difference initially if you look between the scores? If I assume 11:14, that is 3, 14 minus 11. What is the difference out here? That is 56 minus 47, that is 9. You can look forward to use the concept of LCM to make the differences same. So what is the LCM of 3 and 9? That is 9. So can we do one thing? Let's multiply this with 3. So I have to multiply this score also with 3 and this score also with 3. Now the problem is done. So let's read the final thing what they're asking. The ratio of Vimal's new score. What is the new score in this scenario? 56. Let me put over here. What is the original score in this scenario? 42. So we just need to find out the ratio. We are done with the answer, that is 4/3, which is your option number 2. So make sure that you subscribe. We are going to come up with new videos every week. So you'll surely become from zero to hero in the quant section by using the logical way. So do follow us, do subscribe. Thank you so much.